I put a survey up on my Instagram, and the question was, if you could leave New York State and not have any financial troubles doing so, would you? Out of the first 20 people to answer this question, 15 said they would, and the other 5 said they wouldn't. So I was thinking to myself why it was such a large number, and after asking each of them, I found it was mostly due to high tax rates and the cold weather. My research. New York State is the third highest tax state. The state taxes on average $8,434 from each median income household. After state and local taxes, they take $10,532 from each median household. It is estimated that the tax percentage on a median income household is 13.92%. The weather. No matter where you go, there is going to be weather that you do not like. In the state of New York, it is the cold weather for me and a lot of other people that live in this state. Throughout the course of the year, the state has a very wide range of temperature. 28 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit is what you can expect throughout the course of the year. The coldest month on average is January, where you can expect the temperature to be anywhere from 2 degrees to 29 degrees Fahrenheit.